Mm. Yes. Salutations. So, I've been having an itch, which I'm having scratched. So, since I went to the air show and I saw all the things flying about, and my kids being amazed about all the things flying about, I was like, hmm, I wanted to fly something back in the day, and I have yet to fly something. So, I went scouring the internet, and I found a wee little drone. The first thing that I see is it does not resemble the picture that I saw on the interwebs. Or what you might call it, a folding drone. So, biometric height, headless mode, 6 axis, joyous gyroscopes. Huh? 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 Yes, well now. 3D turning and tumbling, flight trajectory, flight and Wi-Fi, graphic transmission, HD camera and folding deformation. They state it's a 720p camera. Hmm. There it says RC leading 122 folding drone with 720p Wi-Fi camera. And that is that for the packaging. Well now, give me some space, man. Give me some space. Neat little carrying case. Soft. Soft. So don't go and try and stand on it or sit on it. Oh, upside down. Everything almost fell out. Well now. Huh? Okay, so uh something the where? Huh? This would look like the E88 that they have on their website, and I will show you why. E, where is my? Here I am. Yes, well now, if you would look at this picture, this one, make it big, make it big. There it is. Huh? It does not look the same. The remote, right? The remote does it. Right? There's another picture. There's the remote. Does right? Does not look the same. So where's my phone? Right? Oh shit! Sorry, wife. Love you. Okay. Gave myself and my wife a heart attack and almost broke my phone. Let's try this again. I don't trust it. Okay. It's in there. I don't trust it. Okay. Any case. Apparently you connect the thing via an app to see to have a Wi-Fi connection from your drone to your phone. Okay, now the battery. On the website, it states it has a 9 milliamp hour LiPo battery included. 3.7 volts. Okay, this one says 3.7 volts. 2,600 milliamp hours. Are you sure about that?
Are you sure about that?
Hooray for instructions. Wait, it's English. Hooray for instructions. You get a few additional thingamajigs here. You get some prop guards, which I am most definitely going to put up because I am. Get a few extra blades and a wee little screwdriver. Isn't that precious? Precious. Tiny little screwdriver. It's precious. The charging time is about 90 minutes. So on this, I did not time it, for I was watching the Joker movie, the new one, the Joker looks floor, somewhat whatever. Thanks Lady Gaga for changing it into a musical.
What happened? Your balls drop off?
Anywho, I got some batteries, which I'm going to put into this 3 AA batteries. Batterija. Let's go up.
Catch me outside. How about that?
Catch you outside? What does that mean?
Here I am. Okay, so now flight test, maiden flight. Switched it on. There's some blinky lights over there. Switched on the remote. Up, down. The floor is super hot. Up once to start the motors, and then the double beep was to that just get some altitude, little drone. Okay, ouch. I'm gonna stand in out of the hot bricks. There's a slight breeze. I was trying to do the 3D sun flip thing, but it doesn't seem like it's doing anything. I'm trying to fight the words. I'm gonna. And the hounds of hell are upset because they want to come and attack the drone. Like I put it full throttle and it's fighting the wind. Oh. Question mark? Dude, relax. Well, now that just happened. Thank goodness I put the little crashy whatnot. Yeah, the wind took it, and it was like I'm a leaf in the wind. Oh, the battery popped up. That's why it's off. Huh? Okay, the floor is hot. The floor is lava. Okay. Off. Back on. Transceiver on. Fine. This little guy does not like the wind that much. Yikes. Man, it's got an emergency landing. Jesus. What happened? But I'm giving it the beans and it does not want to. Wait. It does not want to get altitude. You there, sir. Oh. Well, it's well, it seems to be running out of battery. Yes. So now, this is me from the future. Well, a couple of days in the future since I flew the drone for the first time. This little drone. Well, physically, it's still in a good condition. I managed to get it to fly better. I managed to do the flippy tricks. Recorded some video while it was flying. Everything's just like a wavy blur. You can't even see what the flark is going on, and that's mostly due to these brushed motors. Yes, sir. And then now at the end, this wee little old brushed motor decided to die. So yes, the conclusion of this video is, don't go and buy a tiny little old $24 drone thinking it's going to do the same as $1,000 drone. Yes. Okay, back to the Jergo of a couple of days ago. Oh, don't forget to sub. I'm almost at 300. I'm aiming for the 500. And until next time, bye bye.